فکر نہ کریں. Don't worry. Don't worry. پینسل سے مت لکھو. Do not write in pencil. Do not write in pencil. دوبارہ ضرور آنا. Do visit us again. Do visit us again. کیا آپ جانتے ہو؟ Do you know? Do you know? کیا آپ سمجھ رہے ہیں کہ میں کیا چاہتا ہوں؟ Do you understand what I want? Do you understand what I want? سمجھ رہے ہیں؟ Do you understand? Do you understand? سمجھے؟ Did you understand? Did you understand? کوئی بات نہیں. Does not matter. Does not matter. دوبارہ یہاں مت دکھنا. Don't come back here again. Don't come back here again. مذاق مت کرو. Don't make a joke. Don't make a joke. تاخیر مت کرو. Don't delay. Don't delay. جلد بازی میں کوئی کام مت کرو. Don't do anything in a hurry. Don't do anything in a hurry. کام کرتے وقت مت اونگو. Don't doze while working. Don't doze while working. مت بھولو. Don't forget. Don't forget. بارش میں باہر مت جاؤ. کہیں ایسا نہ ہو کہ تمہیں ٹھنڈ لگ جائے. Don't go out in the rain, lest you should catch a cold. Don't go out in the rain, lest you should catch a cold. ظاہری امور کی بنیاد پر فیصلہ مت کرو. Don't judge things by their appearance. Don't judge things by their appearance. مجھے مت سمجھاؤ. Don't make me understand. Don't make me understand. بھوک سے زیادہ مت کھاؤ. Don't overeat. Don't overeat. بیکار مت بیٹھو. Don't sit idle. Don't sit idle. دوسروں کی برائی مت کرو. Don't speak ill of others. Don't speak ill of others. فرش پر مت تھوکو. Don't spit on the floor. Don't spit on the floor. میرے بارے میں بات مت کرو. Don't talk about me. Don't talk about me. بکواس مت کرو. Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. مجھے مت سکھاؤ. Don't teach me. Don't teach me. مجھے پریشان مت کرو. Don't tease me. Don't tease me. میرے صبر کا امتحان مت لو. Don't try my patience. Don't try my patience. اسمارٹ بننے کی کوشش مت کرو. Don't try to act smart. Don't try to act smart. دوبارہ مجھ سے ٹکرانے کی کوشش مت کرنا. Don't try to clash with me again. Don't try to clash with me again. بہت زیادہ پریشان مت ہو. Don't worry too much. Don't worry too much. پاگل مت بنو. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. مجھ سے کبھی بات مت کرنا. Don't ever talk to me. Don't ever talk to me. مجھ سے بات مت کرنا. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. جیسا آپ کو اچھا لگے ویسا کرو. Do as you please. Do as you please. بیوقوفوں جیسی حرکت مت کرو. Don't be so silly. Don't be so silly. کیا میں آپ سے پرسنل سوال پوچھ سکتا ہوں؟ Do you mind if I ask you a personal question? Do you mind if I ask you a personal question? کالے آدمی صابن لگائے گورے نہیں ہوتے. Dark deeds cannot be hidden. Dark deeds cannot be hidden. اتنا کھاؤ جتنا پچے. Eat no more than you can digest. Eat no more than you can digest. اب بس بہت ہو گیا. مجھے اب یہ پھر سے نہیں سننا. Enough is enough. I don't want to hear this again. Enough is enough. I don't want to hear this again. آدمی اپنے دل کا بادشاہ ہے. Everyone is king over his own heart. Everyone is king over his own heart. ہر کسی کو معلوم ہے. Everyone knows. Everyone knows. سب کچھ ٹھیک ٹھاک ہے. Everything is all right. Everything is all right. سب کچھ منصوبہ کے مطابق چل رہا تھا. Everything was going as planned. Everything was going as planned. گستاخی معاف کریں. Excuse me. Excuse me. میرے پیچھے آئیے. Follow me. Follow me. تھوڑی دیر کے لیے. For some time. For some time. آشنائی کرنا آسان ہے لیکن نبھانا مشکل ہے. Friendships are soon made but rarely ripened. Friendships are soon made but rarely ripened. عموماً generally دفع ہو جاؤ. Get lost. Get lost. اب کافی جلدی آ گئے. آپ بہت جلدی آ گئے. You came very early. You came very early. میری نظروں سے دور ہو جاؤ. Get out of my sight.